Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this kinky ponytail with the center part. And guys, this video I was just feeling like a brand new person. Like, are you feeling it? Can you see me feeling myself? Yes, this could be you. So make sure you guys watch this video till the end so that you can slay like this. Right, so the hair I use is actually from AliExpress, so all the information will be in the description bar below. I'm starting off with damp hair, so I just kind of spritzed my hair with water before I started filming. So you want to make your hair damp but not wet. So I went ahead to part my hair down the middle, and this actually took me forever. But take your time, make sure your part is straight and it's in the middle, because otherwise your head will just look wonky and we don't want that. So take your time. It took me quite a while. So today I'll be using my Eco Styler gel. That is literally the only gel that I know works. Maybe there are a bunch of other gels that work for 4C hair, but this is what I use. To be honest, I even need a stronger one, but it worked okay. So I just took my Eco Styler gel and then I created a little ponytail. That's where I want all my hair to meet. And so I started in little sections, because if you don't want to do this all together, it's going to be quite tasking and you might not even achieve a flat look. So what you want to do is start applying the gel in sections, kind of like you're getting a relaxer, just so that you can lay down your hair. So I use this wooden bristle brush just to smooth out my hair. I also had a detangling brush which really helped me. I figured that I would use it later on, but I could have used it from the beginning because it did make a big difference. So it helps to detangle your hair as you're smoothing it. So I would instead go with the detangling brush first and then go in with the bristle brush. So after you've gelled a section, you want to tie it away so that you can use your two hands, because it was getting quite tasking as the section was getting bigger and bigger. It was getting too much to hold, so you want to have a hair tie handy. And don't be in a rush. At some point I was getting tired so I started taking bigger sections, but you want to do this gradually, otherwise it won't lay flat. And be generous with the gel. I had a little container, so I wasn't sure it was gonna be enough, but if you have a bigger jar, just use as much as you need and make sure your hair is completely saturated with the gel so it lays flat, and work in small sections.
Liquid mix.
My hair is short and I had to extend the hair in front all the way to get the back and everything, and the gel isn't super strong, so I had a hard time to get it. This is actually my first time of laying down my hair completely. And I was so surprised. Like this.
Liquid
Just to the
Mix.
front that after I noticed that was sticking out, I went to the tiny brush and it made it a lot easier. So you have time to work around that. You don't want that. So please use this actual brush before you use
Liquid Mix.
I'm just here adding some finishing touches to some of my stubborn baby hairs I don't want to lay down. And then I'm going to go in with my silk. I guess it's a silk scarf. Sorry guys, I don't know fabric, but I think it's a silk. I'm going to just use that to lay my hair down and just make sure everything stays in place while I go to bed. If you have a do-rag, you can go ahead and use a do-rag. That might be easier. So the next morning, I'm all done up and I'm taking my scarf down. For this step, I used kinky hair. I think it's kinky curly hair from AliExpress, Yvonne hair. I will leave the link right down below. I got this hair years ago, so I don't even know if Yvonne hair still exists. So I'm gonna leave a link for you guys if I find one. And yeah, so here I'm just gelling my edges because I think the scarf kind of messed it up overnight, but that's no big deal. So I'm here using my Yvonne hair kinky curly weave. I think I got this in the length 18 inches, 16 or 18. I got this so many years ago, but I barely used it, so I just thought it would be a good idea to use it for this tutorial. And I will leave a link for you guys, don't worry about it. I'll leave a link for you if you're interested in purchasing this hair. Although I had a bit of a problem because this hair is like a natural color, but my natural hair is a 1B, so there was a slight difference in color, and yeah, which you guys will see. But anyway, how I applied this is I completely unraveled all the folds in my tracks, and then I laid the tracks on my ponytail right around it. And you want to tuck in the end of the track while you wrap it around your hair continuously over and over, as you will see in this video. It's kind of difficult to explain, but obviously you guys can see, so I hope all of this makes sense. So you want to wrap this round all the way till you get to the end. I used one strip, one weft, if that makes sense. Yeah, one weft. And yeah, if you have two, if you're going for more volume, why not? But I used just one, and then there was just like one track there was one weft that was probably like 8 inches long. I just used it just for some extra volume, not much, just a little bit. But yeah, one bundle would do.
Liquid Mix.